Thank you. Thank you for coming to Dragon Warrior Noodles and Tofu. More tea, lemon sauce. If you need anything, just ask. Thank you.
Oh, the Dragon Warrior's mop. He mopped these very floors.
No touching. You get the mop dirty.
He once waited on me.
Awesome!
Yeah, I have the stain to prove it. Hey, where's the Dragon Warrior?
Oh, he doesn't work here anymore. He's busy out there protecting the valley.
The Dragon Warrior.
Oh!
Yeah, here. Okay.
The Dragon Warrior.
You should have told me you were coming.
Hi, Dad.
I would have saved you some stinky tofu.
Dad, can I talk to you?
Of course, son. In honor of my son, free tofu dessert for everybody! With purchases. Oh, it's so good to see you, Po. Have you lost weight? I can almost put my wings around you.
Well, maybe a little.
Oh, poor you. You must feel weak. Let me get you some soup.
No, that's okay, Dad. I'm not hungry.
Not hungry? Po, are you all right?
Yeah, no, I'm fine. Earlier today, I was fighting these bandits. Nothing too dangerous. I mean, they were just,
Yeah?
And then the strangest thing happened. I had this crazy vision. I think I saw my mom and me as a baby.
What? Mom? A baby?
Dad,
What are you doing?
how do I say this? Where did I come from?
Well, you see, son, baby geese come from a little egg. Don't ask me where the egg comes from.
Dad, that's not what I meant.
I know it's not. I think it's time I told you something I should have told you a long time ago.
Okay.
You might have been kind of adopted.
I knew it.
You knew? Well, who told you?
No one. I mean, come on, Dad.
But if you knew, why didn't you ever say anything?
Why didn't you say anything? How did I get here, Dad? Where did I come from?
Actually, you came from this. It was just another day at the restaurant. Time to make the noodles. I went out to the back where my vegetables had just been delivered. There were cabbages, turnips, radishes. Only there were no radishes. Just a very hungry baby panda. There was no note. Of course, you could have eaten it. I waited for someone to come looking for you, but no one did. I brought you inside. Fed you. Gave you a bath. And fed you again. And again. And tried to put some pants on you. And then I made a decision that would change my life forever. To make my soup without radishes. And to raise you as my own son. Xiaopo, my little panda. And from that moment on, both my soup and my life have been that much sweeter. And little Po, that's the end of the story. Look at me. No, don't look at me.
That's it? That can't be it. There's gotta be more, Dad.
Well, there was the time you ate all my bamboo furniture It was imported too.
One dumpling, please. Dragon warrior size.
Oh, Paul, your story may not have such a happy beginning, but look how it turned out. You got me, you got Kung Fu, and you got noodles.
I know. I just have so many questions. Like, how did I ever fit in this tiny basket? Why didn't I like pants? And who am I?
Good. Watch your form. Good.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Now we've got the pleasantries out of the way, please leave my house.
Your house?
Yes, didn't you see the peacock on the front door? Ah, there you are, soothsayer. It seems your fortune-telling skills are not as good as you thought.
We shall see, Shen.
Oh, you shall see, old goat. Where were we?
What do you want, Shen?
What is rightfully mine? Gongman City!
Gongmen is under the stewardship of the Master's Council, and we will protect it, even from you.
I'm so glad you feel that way. Otherwise, I'd have dragged that here for nothing.
What's in the box, Shen?
You want to see it? It's a gift. Oh, it's your parting gift, in that it will part you. Part of you here, part of you there, and part of you way over there, staining the wall.
You insolent fool!
Show off.
That is a warning. You are no match for our kung fu.
I agree. But this is.
Are you familiar with the master of Gongmen City?
Master Thundering Rhino?
Yes.
Son of legendary Flying Rhino?
Yes.
And slayer of the 10,000 serpents in the Valley of Woe?
He's dead.
Whoa.
That's impossible.
Rhino's horn defense is impervious to any technique.
It was no technique. Lord Shen has created a weapon, one that breathes fire and spits metal. Unless he is stopped, this could mean the end of Kung Fu.
But I just got Kung Fu!
And now you must save it. Go! Destroy this weapon and bring Lord Shen to justice!
Okay, here we go! Here we go! Whoa, 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 wait a second. How can I do this? I mean, how can Kung Fu stop something that stops Kung Fu?
Remember, Dragon Warrior, anything is possible when you have inner peace.